Hello and welcome to another episode of SolidWorks Learning. In this video, we have a helical gear which this broken piece which has the broken piece, the plastic part. This part is metal, so we're gonna using SolidWorks to design and reprint it with PETG with our 3D printer Bumble A1. So let's get started.
Okay, we are in SolidWorks. One thing before we start, I need to mention to have a angle finder to know the angle of the gear tooth. I have a simple one and I measure the angle and I get 15 degrees, so you should have this angle to design the gear. So we are going to select the new assembly, go to the cancel it, close this page, go to design library toolbox, add in now, go to ISO, power transmission and gear. Drag and drop a helical gear into the scene. Hit OK. Control 8, and before we start to change this parameter, this gear parameter, we need to draw a circle as our gear, as the same as our gear diameter. So go to the sketch, new sketch, and select the right plane. Select the circle, draw it like this, smart dimension, and the diameter is 48.8 millimeter. Now select the helical gear, right click, edit toolbox components, and first of all we are going to define the number of teeth. It's 57. Select 57. The gear direction, helical direction is to the right hand, so select right hand, and the helical angle, as I say before, it's 15 degree. The pressure angle, keep it as default. Face width, I measure it 16 millimeter. Hub style type A, we are going to change it when we are trying to design the other parts of the gear, and also the shaft diameter, no keyway, and lastly the module size. Let's change it a little bit bigger, 0.9 maybe, no, 0.8. Yes, exactly the same diameter as our reference circle. So our gear is ready to go to the design section. So hit OK, go to new part, go to the library, design library again, and bring the helical gear into the scene. Hit hit yes, left click and hit yes again. So we have it. Next, uh, we are going to shape the other part, the spur gear, which is attached to the upper side of this helical gear. Before we do that, select this face, go to sketch, new sketch, and we draw a circle as our shaft diameter, which is 8 millimeter. Smart dimension 8 millimeter, a little bit bigger than 8 millimeter to fit the shaft exactly into this gear. Hit OK. Future extruded cut and select through all. Hit OK. So next up, select the same face, go to the sketch, and we're going to draw two reference circle. The bigger one has 25.8 millimeter, and the other one has 20. Yeah, it's okay. And next thing we are going to do is draw a center line, and we are going to draw the one of the T's. Next we are going to copy 18 more of these tools, and the tools base size is 2.3 millimeter. 2.3 divided by 2 is 1.50. We use 3-point arc, smart dimension, and the size is 1.15 millimeter. Then we use another 3-point arc, draw this arc like this, a little bit further than this reference circle, like this, and we can give it a 3.2 millimeter diameter. Hit OK, and next we are going to select these two arcs like this, go to mirror entity, mirror about this center line. So we're gonna copy this around this circle, select the sketch and go to linear sketch pattern, change it to circular, and the point is not here. We are going to select the center of the circle, and we are going to enter 18. Select this point again, and as you can see we have 18 teeth. Hit OK, and we are going to extrude this sketch about 14.5 millimeter. So let's go to Future, Extrude, and select these one by one. And enter 14.5 millimeter. Hit OK. And we have the spur gear here attached to the helical. And next thing we are going to do, select this face, Ctrl 8, sketch, new sketch. We are going to draw a circle for our shaft diameter 8.1, and go to Future, Extrude Cut, and Roll. Okay, last thing we are going to do, we have a part right here under the helical gear, which is extruded cut inside about 5.7 millimeter. First we are going to go to select the sketch, draw a circle, the circle diameter is 22 millimeter. Future, extruded cut, and change it to blind and enter 5.7 millimeter. Hit OK. And now we can select this edge, fillet 3 millimeter, and not the inside one, just we need just the outside. And also select these two edges, fillet, and we needed about 1 millimeter. Our design is finished. Let's save it. Save as. Solid part. Give it a name and save it. Once more, save as, and choose a steel file. Give it a name and save it. Yes, all bodies. Then we are going to Bamboo Studio to 3D print it out. Go to Prepare, Add, select New Folder, select the steel file, and hit Auto Orientation, change it to PETG, 0.2 millimeter strength, the layer heights, and we need support under this area. Go to the support tab, enable support, and hit the slice plate. And there we have it. It will be printed like this. So let's send this G-code to our 3D printer. and I will show you the last result.
Okay, we are back into the shop and the print is done, and we have redesigned this gear, helical gear, and as you can see, the result is pretty nice. Thank you for your watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.